not. Mine's like Tic-Tac-Toe, but I haven't worked with graphics before, and I definitely haven't worked with like graphics in Python before.
That's good.
So I wanted to, and so I used Tkinter to like show like the grid that I wanted to have. So like here basically I'm using Tkinter to create a window, and then like labels, and I had to like grid each button, and then so like you're basically playing against the computer.
Oh, so the O just popped up after you put the X.
Yeah, so like and then so I'll win, yay. And so it basically works by like you place it and then it'll change like the character. If you start as an X, then it'll go to an O. And then like each turn, when you like click a button, then it triggers like the button to then turn, and then triggers the computer to place a character in like a space that's clear. And I had two classes. I had a point class for like each point on the grid, and each point has like its coordinates and if it's clear, and like what character it is and its button. So those are all components of each point. And then so I use that to be able to like have each point have its own functions. And then I also had a class for like each way to win. So basically I made a bunch of objects for each like way to win on the grid, because there's like a set number of ways to win for Tic-Tac-Toe. And then I gave each one of those like a point. So it was a group of 3 points. So if you got the 3 points, then you'd win.
And it shows that X won, so it knows that X won, right?
Yeah, so like so in a way to win you have X1, Y1, X2, Y2, X3, Y3, and it like stores for each of the 3 coordinates its X and Y values, and then after every turn it'll check if you've won, and then it can also like result in a draw. And yeah, it was just really cool to be able to.
And you were working on making the computer be smarter.
Yeah, that's what I was working with at the end.
Okay, hard stuff. This was, this is one of the earlier AIs, and good job for doing it on your own.